Top coronavirus matter. 39 Edo healthcare workers don dey infected in 72 hours. Edo state government don talk say 39 healthcare workers for the state don dey infected with coronavirus in the last 72 hours. Permanent Secretary of Edo State Ministry of Health, Dr. Osamuyi Iwora, talk this one when he dey do briefing with Tori people for Benin City. He talk say case management for critical care dey necessary to make sure say effective management of severe cases dey. Dr. Osamuyi expressed worry over the increased rate of infection among healthcare workers for the state.
Importantly, we also want to draw the attention of the entire system to the fact that as much as we accept that community spread is the order of the day now, we also have the challenge of having healthcare workers being infected already in the state. And this we have been observing over the past few months of this outbreak. Particularly in this second wave, we have had a number of healthcare workers infection. And in the last 72 hours, we have had a total of 39 healthcare workers infected for COVID-19 from our screening. And this number is actually a critical number to us because healthcare workers are the ones that take care of those who are not negative, and those who are also those who are positive and those who are also not positive. So essentially, it is critical that we make sure that healthcare workers are duly protected and also they comply with the same protocols that we have for the entire society or communities.
He talk say the 39 healthcare workers wey test positive in the last 72 hours come from various healthcare centers where they manage active cases for the state.
So we had 39 of them confirmed yesterday, in the last 72 hours as positive. And in these, we have them from the various healthcare facilities where we manage cases, spanning from UBTA through Stella Obasanjo Hospital, ISTH, even the other private settings across the state. It is our own duty to ensure that we pull those healthcare workers out of the system so that they don't also infect patients. And that is critical to us because there are not too many in the system that care for these patients. So losing one of them to the COVID-19 and not being able to render services to the people is actually not a very good news. So going forward for the state, we are doing everything possible to ensure that the healthcare workers are properly protected by way of giving them the appropriate personal protective equipment and for them to also follow the protocols already designed and being implemented in Edo State, even while not on duty, because we all know that these healthcare workers are also in the larger communities where cases are coming from.
Testing of coronavirus dey free, and he urge those wey no dey feel well make they go the nearest hospital, and they also dey work closely with the educational sector to fight this yamayama disease.
I want to re-emphasize again that the collection of sample and testing for patients who meet the case definition is totally free. No money is paid by anybody if you are meeting the case definition, if you walk into a health facility that is already recognized, that is a collation center or that is just a private setting that can link up with the state network for the COVID-19 screening and testing. But for those who must go on international travels, let's not us mix them together. Those ones have to make payment for the test they were required to do because they are doing it voluntarily. And the federal government defined that those persons must pay. And the figures they pay are within the dictate of the private settings where they do their testing. For Edo State, in the last 24 hours, we have had a lot of activities running. Outside the fact that we have been increasing our sensitization across the board, we have had a series of stakeholders meeting with various interest groups, from support teams to religious bodies, transporters, and the rest of them. And most importantly at this point, we are doing everything possible to work towards the reopening of our schools, possibly come 1st of February. And in the light of this, we also observe that the federal institutions in the schools, some of them reopened, and we are working closely to ensure that all those who came into the state from outside and those who are in the schools are reopened without due process or following the rules set or laid down by the state government. We are going to make everything possible for us to screen them, and that process has started before they will go and infect other people who might have been free of the virus if they have to gather, because we know students and children are not too restrictive in their freedom. So on that note, we have embarked on a joint venture with the health sector and the educational sector. We are working closely together to ensure that those who have resumed in the federal institutions are screened completely for COVID-19. And for that, if we do that, we may just jolly well let them continue. But if they don't meet the minimum standard, as we have defined, the authority will give instructions as to what we will do next. But before they interface with the entire public, we will ensure that we screen them and ensure that they don't bring in COVID-19 to Edo State and come and increase the risk of our people in Edo State.
This one na the ogbonge information we carry come give una on top coronavirus matter, as 39 Edo healthcare workers don dey infected in 72 hours. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge information come sama una. Innocent Eikwemen from Benin.